PennPlax Aquaponic Betta Fish Tank Review. PennPlax Aquaponic Betta Fish Tank promotes healthy environment for plants and fish. Plastic plant holder with ceramic substrate planting material. Planter can create a healthy habitat for betta fish by replicating nature's cycle. Plant above purifies water and absorbs fish waste as nourishment. Betta Fish Tank is easy to clean. Planter is simple to remove when needed. Can be used as a planter alone for many water-thirsty plants. Recommended for betta, goldfish, bloodfin tetra, and white cloud minnow. Please follow link in the description to get best price today.